Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Tech. So today I will be unboxing the Samsung Guru Music 2. So let's get started. Guys, before starting, I would like to say that this phone has a LCD display of 2-inch. It has 2 SIM slots and a separate SD card slot. So let's open the box. So at the top you can see you got the device. Let's keep it aside for a moment and see what else we get inside. As you can see, you get a standard charger and you also get a headphone, and there are some paperwork. Let's get to the phone. As you can see, this is the device, and I have already put the battery inside, so let's start it up. As you can see, it's unlocked. This is the menu. You can see there is call log, contacts, music player, calendar, my files, messages, alarms, games, radio, memo, settings and applications. Let's see what game we got. Oh, it's Sudoku, very common game. In the settings you can see there is SIM card management, profiles. You can select anyone you want. Then you get the display settings, time and date, phone settings, applications, security system, and you can also connect it to your PC and network connections. You can see your memory usage. Below there is a mic input for your voice when you make calls. And at the back you got the speaker and the Samsung logo. And the battery is of 800 mAh, which means you can easily use it for more than one day. So it's all guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.